Birds are one of the few forms of wildlife that just about everyone sees every day, whether you live in the city, in the country, or somewhere in between. But even though we see them all the time, we can easily forget how important birds are in our lives. For instance, a bird is probably our most enduring national symbol. We look to birds to inform us about the health of our environment. Nearly 50 million Americans, 1 in 5, are birders, making birdwatching the second most popular hobby in America, behind gardening. This doesn't happen just because birds are pretty. It happens because birds are awesome, because they matter. Get into birds and discover an amazing world.